So Stashaway has introduced a new way of investing with their robo-advisors and have made it to large news articles like Business Times. Yes, if you've been using Stashaway and have been keeping track with their news, it is the Thematic Investment Portfolios. So to go ahead and look for this Thematic Investment Portfolio, you guys can go ahead into New Portfolio, and then all the way down there, you guys can go ahead and see there is Thematic Investing, and that is new. So this is definitely very beneficial when it comes to us as retail investors, and especially when we are living a very big moving curve of our lives right now. Everything that used to be physical are now turning into digital, like online shopping, virtual events, etc, etc. And all the financial and payment systems were all centralized back then with the banks and a lot of physical products like paper money and coins. Right now we're moving towards blockchain and decentralized finance and etc, etc. Also, not to mention that people are now researching on how to cure cancer. Crazy stuff, I know. Basically a new age of innovation and technology type of companies. And that gets me really excited whenever I think about the future. So let's head back into the create a portfolio and get into the thematic investing. We can see three types: technology enablers, the future of consumer tech, and healthcare innovation. It also elaborates on what they normally will invest into for you. For example, artificial intelligence, blockchain, cloud computing, robotics, and semiconductors. And for the rest, you guys can go ahead and see it on the screen right here. So if we were to click into technology enablers, this is what we will see. They will further explain on what technology enablers is. So we're gonna go ahead and skip that one. And then right here, it says underlying funds. So this is the important part. So these are all the ETFs that they will invest for you when you create a portfolio under certain themes of investment portfolios. For example, Amplify Transformational Data Sharing, Ark Autonomous Technology and Robotics, Ark Next Generation Internet, First Trust Cloud Computing, Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence, VanEck Vectors, Semiconductors. So if you guys want to go ahead and see what are the holdings of all of these ETFs, you guys can go ahead and see right here, 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 and here. You guys can go ahead and pause this video and go ahead and scan through, take your time on reading what are their top 10 holdings. But in this video, I'm not going to cover one by one because if I were to do so, it's going to be a dog shit long of a video. So moving on, the future of consumer. Let's just click into it. Same thing, they're going to elaborate. And then let's just move on to build my portfolio. And here it goes. Ark Fintech Innovation, Ark Innovation, Global X Autonomous and EV, Global X Fintech, iShares Global Internet Giants, VanEck Vectors, Video Gaming, and Esports. So moving on to the healthcare innovation. So the underlying funds: Ark Genomic Revolution, iShares Biotechnology, iShares Genomic Immunology and Healthcare, iShares Global Healthcare, iShares US Medical Devices, Robo Global Healthcare Technology and Innovation, VanEck Vectors, Pharmaceutical. So according to their website, we can also tell that Stashaway have included a lot of ETFs from Ark Invest, VanEck, iShares, Global X. So I'm not planning to invest in any of these portfolios as of now, as much as it sounds good to be investing into emerging markets like this, but I don't like to diversify way too much because it will minimize the returns. But in Stashaway's case, Stashaway is trying to minimize the risk when it comes to all of us retail investors who trust them with our money. And let's just take Stashaway as an example. If they diversify into so many ETFs in one portfolio, right? In one ETF, it consists about hundreds over companies at once. And if Stashaway were to diversify all of our money into like 5 different ETFs, that'll be like so over diversified that it's not going to generate you a high amount of returns. But at the same time, it will not lose you that much of money. But it is just my personal preference, so you guys can go ahead and invest if you're interested in a part of this. If I'm not mistaken, I've definitely mentioned a thing or two in the past video that Stashaway should include cryptocurrencies as one of their assets in one of their investment portfolios. So right here in this investment portfolio or the thematic investing, we do not see cryptocurrency, but we do see blockchain. And I do not remember which video I've said it because I've made over 70 plus videos at this point. Okay. But I hope you guys found value in this video, and if you guys want to know how to maximize your portfolio returns, be it cryptocurrency or stocks, you guys can go ahead and check the video out right here. With that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next video.